My name is Byron Spade. I'm the owner of the 68 Plymouth Barracuda, Hemi S, and it's here on display at SEMA. The car was totally built by Garret and designed by Garret at a rod shop in Columbus, Ohio. It's got a 6.1 Generation 3 Hemi engine in it with a Magnuson Supercharger. We haven't done a full dyno on it, but we're looking to basic dyno about 600, 650 horse. Little details of gills that we put in the engine bay. We've got a little Barracuda up in the front that was on the glove box. The hood itself is all handmade fiberglass by Garret. The gills on the hood, they're 3D printed. We've tucked all the bumpers. We've got spoilers in the front. And a spoiler in the back. And Ron Francis electronics completely in the car. And Axalta paint. That's typically what this whole car is, Axalta paint. It's got billet specialty wheels that have been machined and touched and painted for this car specifically. The interior, which was done by Tracy Weaver at the recovery room in Nebraska. We've done a lot of metal work to it. We've smoothed the body, taken the door handles off. As you can see, there's no wipers, there's no mirrors. It's strictly a show car. It's on an Art Morrison chassis. It's got RideTech Air Ride. There's a lot of little items that are 3D printed on the car to make it more custom.